So this is the AmPrint Center. That's where I work as a research development specialist now at RIT. Um, you can see we have lots of sort of high tech equipment for additive manufacturing. We not only use high tech equipment, we also create new kinds of additive manufacturing and new kinds of materials for additive manufacturing. You can see some of the prototypes we have here right now. This is a high speed molten metal jetting machine for low cost metal jetting. We've also got, this is one of our PhD students, Nidhi, who is playing a 3D printed guitar there. She's doing some great work with non-planar woven carbon fiber printing. So really interesting stuff she's doing there. You can see that I do have some simulated moon dust. Our lab director worked with NASA on a project and they used simulated moon dust as a printing material. You can see some of my other prosthetic designs here that I've done in the past. And then we also have some ceramics, bioresorbable ceramics materials that we can also use in the lab.